Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to extend C drive in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. We are not using any external app or software and we extend our C drive. So let's go to our video. First, I go to my PC, this PC, double click on this PC. Here we find my two partition. I have only one hard disk. Here we find my two partitions C and D, and I want to extend my C drive. So I go to the D drive and delete D drive. I get a backup of the D drive, and then after that delete the D drive and get some space from the D drive to our C drive, and after that I create a D drive. Okay, that is our goal. Close it. Next step is go to the start and type disk management or create and format hard disk partition. Both are same. Click on that, create and format hard disk partition. Center it. Here is our disk management. In a disk management, we find our all hard disks. In this case, I have only one hard disk, so it shows a disk number 0. If you have multiple hard disks, then it shows multiple hard disks with their partition. Here we find C and D drive. There are two scenarios. Okay, first scenario is here is the C drive, then your all drives D, E, F, G. Another scenario is here we find the C drive, and after that in between them, in between drives, we find healthy recovery partition. If your scenario is like this, then go to our next video. This is our video. In this video, I explain how to extend extend C drive with unallocated space. You can remove the healthy recovery partition to the end of our drive, and then after we can create our C drive or extend our C drive. In this case, I go to the D drive and extend some space. First, I go to my D drive and extend some space, and after that get a backup of the D drive to that drive, and then delete D drive and merge with the C drive. That is the goal. So first, I right click on it, go to the shrink value. Here we find some value. I give the 100 GB and click on the shrink. Okay. Here we find unallocated space. It is in black. If it's not in the black, then go to the right click on it and click on the delete. In this case, it is in blank and unallocated. Right click on it, click on new sample value, go to the next. You entire data or the entire value. Here we find the drive letter. You any drive letter that you want and click on the next. Click on the next. Finish. Okay. Now go to this PC. In this PC, here is our D drive. If any data in D drive, right click on it, cut it, or Control C and Control V on our new drive. Paste it. Make sure get a backup of the all D drive data. Okay. Close it. Now we are going to delete our D drive. After that, we merge that drive unallocated space with our C drive. Click on the D drive, right click on it, click on delete value, click on yes. Go to the C drive, click on the C drive, right click on the C drive. Here we find extend value. Click at here next. Here we find the value. Give any value that you like. If you like to give entire value, then go with the entire value. If you not want to give entire value, then type your value and click on the next. I give the entire value. Click on the finish. And here we find our C drive is now approximately 400 GB. And here is we find our new drive with the 100 GB space. I go to this PC. Here we find our drive with the 392 GB, approximately 400 GB, and here we find 100 GB E drive. So guys, this is the simple way to extend C drive in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.